One of the favorite features that I like to use regularly is Monday Docs, and it's probably underutilized, a lot by people when they're working inside Monday. So what I'm going to show you is a new feature that's really going to simplify and speed up how you use Docs within your workflow. So I've just got a new board here, and we can see when I want to add a column, we've now got this column identified here as a Monday Doc. So you can see what that gives me is a little option as opposed to the files column where you can add a Monday document as well. This one's purely built for the Monday document feature. So what I can do here is, obviously if I click straight into it, I can create a document straight away within that workflow. Becomes really useful, especially when you're building out, whether it's SOPs or specific templates related to pieces of work you have to do. So a really great feature that's now activated within this column is the ability to use templates that you create. So over on the left here, I've just created a document template that I want to use within a workflow. So an example of this might be, let's say you're briefing in a whole bunch of different work for a creative marketing team. Possibly you have, lots of assets, you have a standardized process. You can create that inside a template, and then you can utilize that within your workflow once the item is created in the board. You could apply this concept to really anything, and you could have multiple Monday doc columns here for different templates that you want to utilize for different things within your workflow. So how we use it is we just click on the three dots here, we go to our settings, we can see we've got a set doc template. So once I click on that, it gives me a little pop-up here. Really does exactly what it says, allows you to create repetitive docs more efficiently, so you don't need to keep going in and selecting the template and doing all those things. It just does it for you automatically once you set it up. So what I do is here I can either create a new template or I can use one of my existing ones. So I'm going to select this existing one I just created, and I'm going to click Use Template. What that's going to do, it's going to link it through to my doc column, and you can see now my doc column has a little wand on it, which indicates that I can create a template from this directly from this column. So let's say I have a new item go in, new item, maybe it comes through a form from another team, it comes through, your workflow at any particular point. Once it hits you, you can click on this little wand icon here, and then you've got your doc template ready to start populating how you want. So this can save your team a lot of time, reduce some of the manual overhead related to potentially using docs within your workflow. And it's a really great feature that I think you should, start to take advantage of where you can.